talk about a TLSO. This stands for Thoracic Lumbar Sacral Orthosis. Again, this is a spinal back brace. We're going to demonstrate again how to put this on and off correctly here for Josh. The big difference between this is, if you turn for me for a second, Josh, this goes up much higher up on their back. So this is your thoracic lumbar here versus the last one was just a lumbar and then your sacrum is down here. So this is going to come up much higher. This is for higher thoracic surgery postoperatively, or if you have a compression fracture up here. Yeah, there's multiple different diagnoses, but those are the most typical that we see. And, obviously that's what we're going to be using this TLSO for. Biggest difference here is this one has what we call a sternal attachment. So it has this metal bar that comes up here and it's going to sit up here just on the side of Josh's sternal. And then it has actually straps that come over. So first we're going to put this on. Josh, put this on here. We have these, again, it's a Velcro tab here that comes over. This Velcro's up onto the front. Up here for a second, Josh. They're shoulder straps, so these just clip in. There's little clips here. They clip in on both sides. Turn this way for a second. Another clip here on this one. The best is, turn this way for a second, Josh. If you try to tell patients, keep one side attached. So always keep this side clipped. So when you're taking it on and off, you're just doing one side, much easier. So again, first step is, when I get this low and tight, just around his abdomen area, kind of just around his belt buckle. Then there's these two pull tabs on either side, one here and one on this side. And when we pull these tight, that's what really snugs up the TLSO around Josh's spine. And these have Velcro. They Velcro here onto the front of the TLSO. Again, all this will already be adjusted by the certified orthotist. So when you're actually fitting this, you don't need to make any adjustments. We will adjust the height, the width, cut straps, etc., get it fitting correctly. So all you really have to do is put it on and off correctly. This is how we put it on. We want this to be, just onto here, onto his sternum. We turn and look at the back. This part, we want it low, just right here below his lower lumbar spine and onto his sacrum. Basically, you want to almost at the gluteal fold here. And then this part, you can telescope it up and down. Again, that'll be fit correctly by the orthotist. And these straps go up over the shoulder and connect to the front sternal piece. It's real important to make sure you put this on correctly. Always wear a t-shirt underneath it. You don't want this against your bare skin. If you need to clean it, just use mild soap and water or even alcohol wipe to wipe it clean. You get food on it, dirt, dog hair, lint, etc. I'm going to show you how to take this off. We kind of reverse the process. So turn a little bit more this way, Josh. So we take the two pull tabs here. That will slowly release it. Again, we don't want these to just drag down here. They'll stick to their pants or they'll fall behind. And it's really hard to find. So we always just want to Velcro them here to each side. We want to take these, Velcro them to the side. Then there's this little clip. I always leave one side in. In this case, we're going to just take off the right side. Just a buckle. Take that off. Unvelcro the bottom. And slide your arm out. That way the brace, again, put together on one side. If you unclip this or unvelcro both sides, that's when people get confused. And then the brace can come apart and it's very hard to get back together. So that's just how you put on a TLSO. Again, that stands for a thoracic lumbar sacral orthosis. That's how you put one on and off.